Welcome aboard, everyone. This is Captain Whitecandle speaking. Welcome to the first episode of turning $10 to $1,000 challenge. Now, as I mentioned before, I'll be trading based on pure price action, and basic market structure, which is the foundation every trader should know. So, on today's episode, I want to keep things simple. So, I'll be starting with one of the most powerful price action reversal pattern, which is the double top, double bottom reversal pattern. Trust me, this pattern is very simple, but one of the most powerful and underrated pattern in it's simple but very powerful, and you're going to see just that in today's trading session because I'm going to trade based on that double top and double bottom. I'm going to explain everything in this trade. Now, if you haven't watched our previous video on the rules on how this challenge is going to go, I encourage you to go do so. So our first rule for this challenge, if you've watched the video, will be to always trade with 10% of our capital, our total capital. And our total capital for this challenge, obviously starting with $10, and 10% of $10 will be $1. So for this trading session, I'll be trading with just $1 because money management is key in trading. So without any further ado, let me just show you how powerful this double top and double bottom strategy is. So I'll be analyzing 1 minute candle, 1 minute candle, and I'll be taking my trade on 5 minutes. My trade will expire in 5 minutes because trading on 1 minute for beginners is very risky. Trying to predict the next candle is very risky. I don't advise it any beginners to trade on 1 minute, but we'll be analyzing a 1 minute chart but trading on 5 minutes, so the trade will close in the next 5 minutes. Now, since I said our first rule for the challenge is going to be trading 10%, but money management is key whenever you're trading. So we're trading only using only 10% of our total capital. And since our total capital is $10, we're trying to turn $10 to $1,000. So total capital 10% of $10 will be $1. So let me put that in $1. And so without any further ado, let's dive into the chart, and I'm going to explain when I take the trade, the double top or double bottom strategy. So guys, we've taken our first trade in the upside direction for 5 minutes. Now let me explain. This is a double bottom reversal pattern. Let me explain our double bottom for you. But double bottom is when the price is coming down, then suddenly reverse, came down again to the previous lower low, but couldn't break it. However, reversed and broke the neckline of the recent high. So these are our double bottom. So this candle broke it. So our neckline was broken with this candle with a bullish strong candle. So let's see how this trade plays off. And we won our first trade using the double bottom reversal pattern. So let's look for our second trade. Here's a quick thing. There are three things you need to know when taking a trade: where the trade is coming from, where the trade is going, and do you have enough room to take profits between those places. Now, obviously, like I said, this is a double bottom. So the price is coming from a double bottom, and the price moves from supply to demand. So our next place the price can reverse from was from this level here. That was why I took this trade, because there's enough room for the price to go up. As you can see, the price is reversing now from this level. This is the next resistance level, or this is the next resistance level. So since the price has already made a double bottom here, breaking this neckline, showing that it wants to go up to either this level or this level. That was why I took the trade for 5 minutes. So you need to also put that in mind where the price is going. So we all know it's coming from there, going to the space. So that's for our second trade. So guys, I'm seeing on that double bottom reversal pattern forming here. So let me show you. This is our initial downtrend. The price reversed, came down again, could not break this lower. Then I'm waiting for it to break this, to close above this neckline so I can take the trade for 5 minutes. So let's wait together and see if it will now, because it's been trying to break it but keep rejecting. So let's see if this candle now will break it. Then once it breaks it, we're going to take the price the trade for 5 minutes in the upward direction. Still haven't broken it yet. Let's keep our fingers crossed and hope this candle will be the one to do it. Let me delete all this. Guys, I've taken the trade, our second trade for this session. Now, another pointer why I took this trade, if you can remember what I said about the first trade, the place I feel like the price is going to be able to reverse is from this level here. So I think we have 5 minutes is enough room for the price to come up, or if it wants to decide to reverse. So I think we're safe for 5 minutes, but let's see how this trade plays out. And we've won our second trade using the double bottom breaking the neckline reversal pattern. This is an uptrend, and I was thinking the price is going to reverse from this higher high, from this recent higher high, but the price decided to break it to continue its uptrend, which is even more good news for us. All right, so let's look for our third trade. Oh, I missed this trade, a downtrend. This is our double top. The neckline got broken by this candle to continue the downtrend. Well, it's all good, it happens. Let's look for other trades. So guys, I've taken our third trade. Obviously, you can notice it. This is our double top. Price came here, reverse, came again, couldn't break it, then reverse, and closed below this neckline with this bearish strong candle. That was why I took this trade for 5 minutes. So let's see how this trade plays out. And if you notice, this is our next reversal pattern. So I feel like there's enough room for the price to come down and reverse within that 5 minute time frame. But let's see. And that was a simple way, really simple. It was a stressless win. Double top, breaking the neckline with a strong bullish candle. That was a simple, no-brainer win. So, oh, we've gotten 3 wins back to back. Let's go for our fourth trade and see if it will also be a win using this top or double top or double bottom reversal pattern. Okay, I'm seeing another double bottom reversal pattern here. As you can see, this is an uptrend, reversed, came up again, came down, couldn't break the couldn't break the bottom, and I'm waiting for it to close above this neckline to take the trade, because the next reversal level will be around here. So I think there's enough room for us to take a 5-minute trade. And guys, we've taken our fourth trade. Now it's obvious this is a double bottom, our neckline. This candle broke it with a bullish closing above the neckline. That was why I took this trade. And if you notice something, look at this, guys. Look at this. Another double bottom here, or double top, sorry. Then this is our neckline. This candle broke it, and you can see how the market fell. Now we've gotten another one here, neckline. This candle broke it with a bullish closing above. That's why I took this trade for 5 minutes. So let's see how this trade is going to play out. This double bottom, double top reversal pattern is really underestimated and one of the most powerful short price action in the market. So let's see how this goes. Oh, and one other thing, I told you you have to think of where the market is coming, where it's going, and if you have enough room to take a profit between those two places. Now, like I said, the market is coming from a double bottom, so which means it wants to reverse and go. But where is it going to? It's going to either this level here or this level here. So obviously there's enough room for us to take a 5-minute profits between these two places. Why I said this level, because this is a previous resistance, and once a resistance becomes what, a support. So, and this place is once a support and now becomes a resistance. Since it's been broken, it can now become a resistance. Let's see how this trade is going to close. Although I have a feeling it's going to be a winning trade, because we have enough from either it wants to reverse from here or wants to reverse from here. Regardless, we have enough room to take our profits for 5 minutes. But let's wait and see. And that was an easy win, really easy win. So it seems like the market chose to reverse from this support area that is now becoming a resistance area when it was broken. Yeah, regardless, that was a win. So guys, we've taken, let's see, four trades now, and it's all been in a win. If you remember our third rule for this challenge, which is the 4-strike rule, which says that if we win 4 trades in a row, we close the chart for that day. And if you can check, we've taken, so far I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 trades in a row, and we've won 4 of them in a row. So we have to stop for today. We started with $10 and now we've gotten to $13. So that's it for today. You guys should try this double top, double bottom reversal pattern, and you will see how magic it's worked. It took me a while to find this pattern because I was looking for this specific pattern, double top or double bottom. But as the challenge progresses, I'll be introducing more strategies, so it will be more easier and I can find setup more easier and faster. So we started with $10. Now we are at $13.47. So we made around $3 today. You see, we have to start slow and steady and keep to our discipline. That's the only way you can win in the trading world. Do not rush the process. Patience, discipline is key in trading. That's why most people lose in trading, because they are not patient and they don't stick to their rule. Our third rule says that once we have 4 winning trade in a row, we stop and close the chart for that day. That is what I'm trying to do, to stick to my rules and stick to my discipline. Remember to join our official channel, and if you also want to join the challenge, I will drop the link in the description below. Till we meet again in our second episode of this challenge, Captain Whitecandle over and out.